also apply it in your hair. I have done it and I have seen amazing result. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick review video of few of the moisturizers that I have. So I have handful of moisturizers that I have been trying these days for few months, and now that I have used them all, I guess that I'm at the right position to review those to you. So it is not going to be in depth, it is going to be very review how I felt about it. You should know that my skin is dry, which I often speak in most of my videos. Not leaving the best to the last, I am going to review the moisturizer which is my favorite and has been sent as a sample from the night, and I'm glad that they did, because I swear by this product and I'm definitely going to buy the full size of it. So the product is from the brand Mamaearth. It is the oil-free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar for acne prone skin. Guys, I don't have acne. I don't understand why the acne prone skin product has been suiting my skin a lot. So why I love this product is, first, because it absorbs in its skin very beautifully. You don't have to put in a lot of efforts. You don't have to keep on massaging it. Second, when you apply moisturizer, at times it leaves film on your skin, which is a bit weird. Your skin looks dark. That is not a problem with it. It moisturizes your face, but it does not leave that kind of a film. So when I am doing my makeup, I definitely use this as the base moisturizer, because it does not produce oil, it does not make my face humid and oily. So yes, this is why it has become my favorite. It is very easy to use and it is doing wonders for my skin, and a little quantity goes a long way. I've been using it for the month and still there is a lot of product left in this one. Few things that I will definitely talk, that it is for acne prone skin, it is paraben and silicone free, and it is non-comedogenic basically, which means that it does not clog your pore. That is why I guess I love this product a lot. And the pack that I'm holding is 25-gram pack. Okay, so guys, next product that I have is something which comes naturally to our Indian wisdom, which is aloe vera. It is not always possible to have aloe vera plant at home, and it is a bit hassle to use it. So what we have today is this Ayush aloe vera cooling face gel, which have Panchvalkadi, I hope I am pronouncing it right, Talam. So what does it have? It has a cooling face gel which is formulated with 5000 years of Ayurvedic wisdom, and it contains natural aloe vera which heals, soothe and nourish the skin, and it also has the tail which is an oil which is a classic Ayurvedic formula of 18 herbs which is known to treat your skin condition, and the brand that it is from is a Hindustan Unilever Limited. So I guess that is also a great thing. There is one thing we need to know about the natural product, is that they tend to change the color with time. Okay, so my experience is that when I apply gel type consistency product, my skin feels uncomfortable, bit stretchy, but that is not the case with it. It blends in your skin perfectly, it gets absorbed in your skin, it gives a cooling refreshment, and it also very therapeutic. You can also apply it in your hair. I have done it and I have seen amazing result. You can always keep it applying in your hair, and it will be frizz free, and it will also repair your hair as well. So it is like a hack. Moving on to the third product that I have, of which I made a detailed video, a ear bag. So you know that what I have spoke about a ear bag, that it is my favorite product. It is again with me, but a new pack you will definitely see, because the one that I had in previous video was a small size. Now I have a full size, and that is a Cetaphil. So guys, I'm not going to go into the detail of this one. If dryness is your skin problem, then this is the product that you need to go. It's going to repair your face. With a lot of moisturizer, I have come with this one. So guys, this is Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. What is good about this is, guys, first of all, it is dermatologist suggested. Dermatologists believe in this brand. It is a very basic, it is a very classic product. You can never go wrong with the face wash of it. It is very light. Once I consulted Dr. Sachin Dhawan of Fortis for the dryness of my skin, and the product that he suggested was Cetaphil face wash. Moving on to the fourth product that I have is sunscreen cum moisturizer. So this is a product I carried with me when I traveled to Ujjain. So let me review it to you. So this is a Biotech BioCarat sunscreen, which is 40 plus SPF UVA UVB sunscreen ultra soothing face lotion. It is an Ayurvedic recipe with 100% botanical extract, and it is also for all skin type. So my experience with this one is, first of all, it is not heavy. It has sufficient product. I carried it with me when I was traveling in summertime, and it did wonders to my skin. I didn't had any tan at all, so it did a proper work of protecting my skin from the direct sun tan, and I don't need to keep applying it. It does not leave that white film on your face that most of the sunscreen do, and it gets absorbed in your skin very smoothly, very easily. That is one thing that I always see in sunscreen. I have told you in past as well that I don't like the product that takes my lot of time just to get absorbed in my skin. So yes, this is also a very good skin. The another sunscreen that I bought for is Neutrogena sunscreen. So you can buy any of these two if you are looking for sunscreen for your day-to-day basis. Fifth product that I have is this one. This is Khadi Nourishing Cream. It is a bit on the heavier side, again get absorbed in your skin very beautifully. So I'll recommend it for a night skin cream. Why is that? Because it leaves that oiliness on your skin. So when you're sleeping in air conditioner and all, it will protect your skin from getting dehydrated. And it has a sandal and olive. You will definitely see changes in your skin with your dryness if you have any, and it has a product like sandal and olive, which makes it even better formula. It says that you are supposed to use it twice a day. It has all the natural formula like the Khadi products always have. The one problem that I have faced with many of the Khadi creams are that they do not get easily absorbed in your skin, but the same is not the case with this one. So the name is for Face Nourishing Cream from Khadi with sandal and olive oil. Moving on, guys, I cannot praise this product enough. It is Pond Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer for non-sticky. Very important for me. Glowing skin with higher hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. And wait for it, guys, let me tell you the price and the quantity of this one. It is just for 149 rupees. Can you believe it? And let me show you the product as well. So it comes with a covering like this. You open it and see, beautiful gel, and it gets absorbed in your skin very beautifully. You will feel like it has a consistency of high-end product that been marketing these days with hyaluronic acid, the serum kind consistency, which gets absorbed in your skin easily, and they come hefty pricey. So I'll say definitely this is an substitute for those products. And if you are someone who likes to try new formulation and all, it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E as well, and the price range that it comes for, I can't praise it enough. Okay, the second last product that I have is for your hand and nails. If you live in a metropolitan city like Delhi, I have noticed many people carrying always a hand cream in their bag. This is what I bought for my purse and my bag, and I have two of these. So the product is from Marks and Spencer, and it says that it is their Floral Collection Magnolia Moisturizing Hand and Nail Cream. So my experience with it is again the same. I never use the moisturizers which are difficult to apply, so it gets absorbed in your skin very smoothly. It does not leave that oiliness on your skin. Your skin will look moisturized. You will not need to apply it many times, and you can always carry it in the bag given the size of this one and the packaging, the beauty, the way this flower is made. I love everything about this product. Moving on to the last product, which is again hand cream, and which I love more than the Marks and Spencer's one, but this is the big size. I cannot carry it with me when I'm traveling or when I'm going out, so it is perfect when you are at home. So the cream is from the brand that has been trusted for its cream moisturizing cream, and the brand is the Nivea, and the product is its hand cream, soothing glycerin and olive. Of course it has glycerin, so it's going to give extra moisture to hand, and it is for very dry skin. Now I know that why is this product is my favorite. When you are at home, you can always keep it in your table and keep applying it. It is going to repair your skin and going to give moisturization to your hands on deeper levels. So I hope guys that this video was of any help to you and I didn't went too fast. I have observed in my past videos that I have, I speak really slowly. Even when I watch my video, I always watch it at 1.5 into speed. That is when I feel like, okay, now this speed is fine. So I have tried to keep my speed a bit fast today. So I hope it is not too much. And to know and to be on the right path, I need your comments down in the description below so that you can tell me where I can improve. I need your good reviews, and if there is anything, any product that I can help you with, please suggest those products to me in the comments below. Bye bye.